Introducing GeoInsight Analytics, a powerful dashboard that transforms complex real estate data into clear, interactive insights. Traditional property analysis often lives inside spreadsheets, making it difficult to uncover patterns, trends, and high-value opportunities. Behind the scenes, GeoInsight is powered by React and Node.js, using optimized API caching and debounced updates to deliver fast, responsive analytics, even with large datasets. GeoInsight Analytics helps teams move beyond raw data towards smarter, data-driven real estate decisions. With GeoInsight's interactive map, you can instantly visualize property data across regions, toggle heat maps to reveal price clusters, and apply filters for location, property type, or price range. As filters update, charts and analytics adjust in real time, helping you identify trends at a glance. GeoInsight Analytics, visualizing the future of property intelligence.